Assalamualaikum and welcome to our channel. This is lesson 5 video of proverbs. We learn proverbs in English and Urdu. Please guys, watch our previous videos and follow the series of proverbs. Before starting video, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all notification of our upcoming videos. Without wasting time, let's start the video. डूबते को तिनके का सहारा. Drowning man catches at straw. Drowning man catches at straw. Very famous proverb. घर की आधी बाहर की सारी. Dry bread at home is better than the roasted meat abroad. Dry bread at the home is better than the roasted meat abroad. जो सुख चौबारे ना बल्लख ना बुखारे. East or west, home is the best. East or west, home is the best. माल मुफ्त दिल बेरहम. Easy come, easy go. Easy come, easy go. नाव में चढ़े सबसे पहले, उतरे सबसे बाद. Embark first, debark last. Embark first, debark last. थूथा चना बाजे घना. Empty vessels makes much noise. Empty vessels make much noise. दीवार के भी कान होते हैं. Even walls have ears. Even walls have ears. दीवार के भी कान होते हैं. अपनी गली में कुत्ता भी शेर होता है. Every cock fights best its own dunghill. Every cock fights best its own dunghill. नेकी और बदी हर जगह एक साथ है. Every day has its night. Every day has its night. जिसका काम इसी को साझे. Every man knows his business best. Every man knows his business best. मोहब्बत और जंग में हर चीज जायज है. Everything is permitted in love and war. Everything is permitted in love and war. मौका मौका पर सबकी बात अच्छी लगती है. Everything looks beautiful in its own season. Everything looks beautiful in its own season. हर अरूज को ज़वाल है. Every tide has its ebb. Every tide has its ebb. अपना तोशा अपना भरोसा. Every tub must stand upon its own bottom. Every tub must stand upon its own bottom. हाथ कंगन को आरसी क्या. Evidence does not need proof. Evidence does not need proof. समझाने से वो असर नहीं होता जो करके दिखाने से होता है. Example is better than precept. Example is better than precept. नेकी कर दरिया में डाल. Expect no good in return. Expect no good in return. पहले आएं पहले पाएं। First come first serve। First come first serve। पहले आएं पहले पाएं। पहले बो पहले काटो। First sow first mow। First sow first mow। लाख तोते को पढ़ाया जाए फिर भी हैवान ही रहा। For a born fool there is no school। For a born fool there is no school। चोरी का गुड़ मीठा। Forbidden fruits are sweet। Forbidden fruits are sweet। चोरी का गुड़ मीठा। माफ कर देने में वो लज्जत है जो इंतकाम में नहीं। Forgiveness is the noblest revenge। Forgiveness is the noblest revenge। मुसीबत में कोई साथी नहीं। Friends fall off in adversity। Friends fall off in adversity। पेड़ बोए बबूल के तो आम कहाँ से खाएं। Gather thistles expect pickles। Gather thistles expect pickles। Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get all notification of our upcoming videos. Stay tuned guys. Allah Hafiz.